Good morning, class 12 commerce. Welcome to accountancy period. The lesson cash flow is in progress and we are doing full-fledged sum of cash flow statement. Today we are doing illustration number 41 and the name of the sum is name of the party is not given. Following are the balance sheet and here the years are 2012 and 2011 in reverse order. We will start our sum with the balance sheet. First item. First we must read the entire sum. Here the first item is given share capital which is equal in both years 4,50,000, 4,50,000. So when two figures are with the same balance, no need to touch that item if adjustment is not given. Next, reserve and surplus. For reserve and surplus we have given not number and under it we have given retained earning. Let us write here net profit. And here under reserve and surplus the name is given retained earning. Retained earning will also be treated as a part of net profit. Last year 356, now 4,78,000. So my dear, it become 1,22,000. Again 4 items which are to be added over here if they are given in the sum. Number 1, provision for tax for current year, proposed dividend for current year, number 3, interim dividend, and number 4, transfer to reserves if any. If those item comes, we will deal according to the sequence. After shareholder fund we have given non-current liabilities, long-term borrowing, and in long-term borrowing we have given not number, mortgage loan. Last year loan is nil and now loan is 1,70,000. Our loan is increasing. Why the loaning is increasing? It means loan has taken by the business. Number 1. Number 2. Loan is which activity? Financing activity. So let us write over here. Loan taken 1,70,000. Positive item because loan is increasing, money is coming. After that we have current liabilities. In current liabilities first item is trade payable. Last year 2,03,000 and now 1,09,000. Our trade payable are reducing. Trade payable are our current liabilities and if current liability reduces, deduct. We will write over here decrease in trade payable 94,000 rupees. 94,000 rupees. Next, short term provision. In short term provision we have given not number and the item is provision for tax. And for provision for tax we have given one adjustment over here. So we have to prepare provision for tax account. Provision for tax account. Provision for tax is liability. That's why it is given under liability. Opening balance we will write on credit side, buy balance brought down, closing balance we will write on debit side, that is 2 balance carried down and the balance, the figures are last year 40,000 and this year provision 35,000. If adjustment is not given over here, the treatment is simple. Current year provision for tax we are going to add in net profit. Last year income tax we are going to pay here. But here we have given adjustment, that's why we have made the ledger. Please do not carry any of the item in cash flow now. After that we have assets. In assets we have fixed assets, tangible, not number 4. In tangible, not number 4, we have given 2 items, land and plant and machinery. And on both we have adjustment, land accounts. Let us prepare land accounts. And then plant account, we have adjustment on plant also. So plant account, land and plant both are our assets. That's why opening balance will be written on debit side and closing balance will be written on credit side. Right? So land we have given last year 250, now 140. 2,50,000 and now this is given 1,40,000. And for plant and machinery last year 150, last year that is opening balance and this year 180. Right? Okay, now last item is intangible assets. Sorry, then we have intangible assets. In intangible assets we have given goodwill. Last year goodwill is 50, now it's 60. First time our intangible assets are increasing. गुडविल पहले 50,000 की थी, अब 60,000 की है, 10,000 से इंक्रीज हो रही है. क्यों सर? व्हाट कुड बी द रीजन? इट मींस गुडविल परचेज. फिक्स्ड एसेट्स परचेज, परचेज ऑफ गुडविल, परचेज ऑफ गुडविल 10,000 rupees. As we are purchasing fixed assets, intangible assets, it is bracket item because purchase means money is going. In 99% cases intangible assets normally we find decreasing figure. वो कम होती हुई मिलती हैं, और वो कम होती हुई मिलती है तो उनको हम यहाँ ऐड कर देते हैं. Rarely we find increasing. After that we have given current investment. Last year current investment 78, now current investment 70. Our current investment are reducing. Our current assets investment are reducing, but doesn't matter here. Current asset investment we take at the end in form of cash and its equivalent. We will not touch now. Inventory you can do, it is current assets, and here current assets are reducing, we will add. Next item is trade receivable. Current assets they are increasing, to be deducted. And the last item is cash and bank. Again we are going to do at the end. Now let us come to the adjustment. First adjustment, gain on sale of land 30,000. He is saying gain on sale, it means part of land we are selling, and on that sale we got a profit of 30. And what the profit to be done? To be deduct from operating activity, gain on sale of fixed assets or gain on sale of land 30,000 rupees. Each adjustment will be transferred at two places. Now this gain will go in which account? Land account. Remember, if loss is there, it will come on credit side. If profit is there, it will come on debit side. To gain on sale. To gain on sale 30,000 rupees. Each adjustment will be transferred at two places. This is profit, that's why land account debit side, and gain to be deduct because it is non-operating income. Now let us close the land account. Its debit is more, 2,80,000. Credit is less. So my dear friends, can you tell me what this balancing figure could be? ये balancing figure क्या हो सकता है? It is sale. By bank we will write over here. By bank account. लैंड शुरू में 2,50,000 की है, साल के एंड में 1,40,000 की है. अगर लैंड की वैल्यू कम हुई है तो एक ही रीजन हो सकता है माय डियर, दैट इज सेल. इसका मतलब वो सेल है. और कितने रुपए की सेल है? अगर आप 2,50,000 का और 1,40,000 का डिफरेंस देखो तो 1,10,000 की सेल है, लेकिन सब में क्या कहा है? 30,000 का प्रॉफिट हुआ है. दैट्स व्हाई आवर सेल इज 1,40,000. Where this 140 will also come? It is sale of land. Land is our investing activity. That's why we will write under investing activity sale of land. How much money is coming? 1,40,000. 1,40,000. Positive item money is coming. Land account is over. Now let us come to the next adjustment. Depreciation on plant and machinery was provided 10% on last year balance. This is plant account. Last year balance is 1,50,000. On this balance we have to charge a depreciation 10%. So due to depreciation, the value of our plant account will reduce. That's why we are showing this depreciation in credit side. And where the second entry will go for this depreciation, it will be adding into operating activity. Depreciation on plant 15,000 rupees. Each adjustment will go at two places. हमेशा याद रखें, पहले जो भी एडजस्टमेंट दो जगह लिखनी, उसको दो जगह लिखे फिर आगे बढ़े. Now let us close plant and machinery account. Its debit side is 195, 195, and what is the remaining figure? 45. And what is this 45, my dear? Purchase to bank account. And this is purchase of plant. Which activity? Investing activity. Purchase of plant 45,000 rupees. Which item, my dear? Bracket, because money is going. Next item, interest on mortgage loan is rupees 24,300. हमने जो लोन लिया था 1,70,000 का, इसके ऊपर हमें 24,300 का इंटरेस्ट पेड करना है. Interest paid on any activities. Which activity, my dear friends? Financing activity. So let us write over here interest on mortgage loan. It is 24,300 rupees. Each adjustment will go at two places. So this interest will also be written over here in operating activity. Interest on mortgage loan. it is rupees 24,300. The last adjustment, provision for income tax made during the year is 32,000. इस साल हमने provision for tax 32,000 रुपए का बनाया है. तो where this provision to be added in net profit, provision for tax 32,000 rupees. Each adjustment will be going at two place. We are creating provision by 32, our liability is increasing, that's why this provision will come credit side, statement of profit and loss 32,000 rupees. अगर आपको याद हो, हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी एक प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स अकाउंट बनाया था, उसमें एडजस्टमेंट दी हुई थी टैक्स पेड, तो हमने टैक्स पेड को डेबिट में दिखा दिया था और वो टैक्स पेड इधर लास्ट में लेस कर दिया था. यहाँ एडजस्टमेंट में लिखा है टैक्स प्रोविजन क्रिएटेड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. So we will be writing on credit side and current year provision tax to be added there. Now let us close this account. Debit side, credit side is only 72. Balancing figure will come on debit side. It is 37,000 rupees. What is it, my dear friend? Tax paid, that is to bank account. ये tax paid हो गया, and where this tax paid will come at the end of the operating activity year. Less tax paid, it is 37,000 rupees. In this way, in this sum we prepared three different ledgers. Now I am not going to teach how to close it because already 4 sums we have done where I discussed with you how to close the cash flow statement. Thank you very much for today's numerical.